Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking. Today we are going to prepare very simple white bread. We can prepare this recipe in less than 1 hour. To prepare this recipe, first of all we will activate the yeast. Take 1 cup of lukewarm water and add 1 tablespoon of yeast to it. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. And 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, or you can also take melted butter. Mix it well and keep the mixture aside for 5 minutes. To prepare the base of the bread, we will take 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and also add half tablespoon of salt to it. Mix it well. Now we will start kneading the dough. Add the yeast mixture gradually and knead the dough. To knead the dough, first of all mix the ingredients well and then start kneading the dough. To knead it, you can also use hand machine or your hands to knead it properly. After a sticky dough is prepared, just cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. In the meantime, preheat the cooking utensil by keeping a stand at a base. We can preheat it for 10 minutes. Grease your baking mold using butter. Your mold can be of any shape and size, rectangular or circular. After 20 minutes, the size of the dough has doubled itself, and now we will start kneading it for another 5 minutes in a proper dough. After kneading the dough for another 2 to 3 minutes, we will give the shape of the cooking mold. Brush the top with milk or melted butter and let it bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Our bread is ready in 35 minutes. It came out a very soft bread. Thank you for watching my recipe. If you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.